until January 2022 if access to our HSU library book stacks is unavailable. As an HSU student, staff, faculty member, or administrator, you have access to over 200,000 ebooks through HathiTrust. Ordinarily, you could search the library catalog for materials. However, access to the book stacks is temporarily unavailable due to construction. Now you can use free ebooks at HathiTrust. Just visit HathiTrust, click Login, choose Humboldt State University as your institution, and after that, click on Advanced Full Text Search, and then enable Full View Only and Held by Humboldt State University for your search filters. Type in the title you're looking for, and if you find it, you can click on Temporary Access. This will enable you to view the ebook and check it out for 1 hour. You can always increase your checkout time by being active on the ebook page. You can also return the book early.